On to the latest development from the MP Gaikwad versus Air India episode. Today, Shiv Sena has come out in open support of their MP Ravindra Gaikwad. Remember, Gaikwad had thrashed an Air India staffer, senior one at that, for not being upgraded into a business class seat while flying from Pune to Delhi. After this incident, Gaikwad has been barred from almost all the Indian air carriers. The party called for a bandh today in Gaikwad's constituency, Osmanabad, to protest against Air India. In fact, Shiv Sena also plans to move a privilege motion on Wednesday, saying that the airlines do not have a right to blacklist any MP.
A member of parliament also is a passenger. Yes. Now that the honorable MP has raised it, we can't have unequal treatment of people of different classes, but we would need to interact with people, take them along, keeping safety in mind.
जो भी कुछ घटना है, जनप्रतिनिधियों की छवि के दृष्टि से भी कोई अच्छी बात है, ऐसा नहीं है, ये हम सभी समझते हैं। आपकी जो बात है केवल उनको अनुमति देना प्रवास के लिए, और इसलिए मैंने उठाने को लिए दी थी। आप सिविल एविएशन मिनिस्टर के साथ बैठ के मामला सुलझा सकते हो। इस तरीके से सदन में किस कारण से क्या हुआ है, इसके लिए आप सदन में प्लीज अब मत उठाइए। इससे अच्छी बात नहीं, अच्छा मैसेज नहीं जाएगा।
तो ये सरकार के लिए भी अच्छा नहीं है और सभी सांसद शायद ये मानेंगे। ये घटना अलग है, जो घटना घटी उसके बारे में जो भी होगा वो बात अलग है, लेकिन उसको पाबंदी लगाना, उसके जो भी पार्लियामेंट में इश्यू रखना अपने चुनाव क्षेत्र के, उसको वंचित करना, ये बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है। इसका हम निषेध तो करते हैं, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि सभी हमारे सांसद भी साथ देंगे। ये घटना के बारे में जो बयान लगाया उसके बारे में मैं अपेक्षा करता हूँ कि आप सरकार को डायरेक्शन दें। फॉर्चुनेटली और एक घटना भी यहाँ आपके सामने लाना चाहता हूँ। एक बड़ा आर्टिस्ट कपिल शर्मा दिल्ली से ऑस्ट्रेलिया जा रहा था, दारू पी के हंगामा किया, कर्मचारी को मार दिया, खाली उसकी इंक्वायरी चल रही है।
देखिए, पहली बात यह है कि जो चुने हुए प्रतिनिधि हैं उनका व्यवहार जो है वो शालीनता का होना चाहिए, उद्दंडता का नहीं होना चाहिए। ये बात बहुत साफ है और ये बात बहुत स्पष्ट है, और इस चीज के उसके अलावा अगर कोई गलती हुई है तो उस गलती को जस्टिफाई करने के लिए और ज्यादा गलतियां नहीं की जानी चाहिए। इसलिए देखते हैं वो अगर कोई प्रिविलेज मोशन लाते हैं, क्यों लाते हैं, किस लिए लाते हैं, इसको जो है वो मैं मानता हूं कि जस्टिफाई करना ठीक नहीं।
And we have Times Now's Pooja Shailey joining us now for the latest on that front. Pooja, the Shiv Sena defending their MP Ravindra Gaikwad in Parliament too. What exactly did the Civil Aviation Minister had to say?
Well, in fact, that's true. When Shiv Sena raised this motion and literally supporting their MP Ravindra Gaikwad, it was the Government and Civil Aviation Minister Gajapati Raju who very categorically said that as per a November 2014 proposal to the DGCA, the empowered airlines were given the jurisdiction or the decision power to debar any flying passenger if he was found to be unruly. He also mentioned that he never imagined in his wildest dreams that controversy would be caught with a current incumbent member of parliament, and that is why perhaps the government is also in a catch. Now, if sources are to be believed, perhaps there could be some sort of amendment possible within the Civil Aviation Ministry to probably, if not take away the power, but rethink on these regulations. But as of now, the government has very strongly reacted against the MP and said that currently the airline and the federation of the airline has all power that it takes to take and debar and put on no-fly list this specific member of parliament. But we also just heard Lok Sabha Speaker Sumitra Mahajan. She very clearly said that the issue needs to be resolved amicably within the parties. She met Shiv Sena members of parliament. She met the Civil Aviation Minister. She's met these sides. They need to only reach out to each other. Also, she has said as an MP, he will have to travel by airlines to a lot of locations. Train as a transport is not possible. So she's trying to reach out to a middle route, but eventually with the airline having that power and taking that video as evidence, probably the road is still not clear for Ravindra Gaikwad, at least till the airline or the federation decides to stand up, because right now they've stood up with their official, the members of parliament have stood up with their specific contemporary and colleague, and they have said he was provoked by the airline staff. So of course both sides are putting evidence in the domain who will emerge as winner.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.